how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first, to enable the sensitive content on Telegram, you have to open the web browser. Now here on the web browser, you can simply go to the Telegram web and log in with your Telegram account using the verification code. And once logged in, you can just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here in this section, you can just tap on settings. And after that, on the next page, you can simply scroll down and tap on privacy and security. And now here in this section, if you scroll down, then here you'll see the option labeled as show 18 plus content. So here, if you want to enable sensitive content, you just have to check this option. And with that, you can just return to Telegram app and restart if necessary. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.